Good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss as to how we can utilize the 10 days which are there before the examination of HCS prelims. So what I can recommend is you can try spending 30% of your time in revising the notes that you have made over a period of time, or maybe 1 year. So that is supremely important because that is the thing that you have gained. Second is you can spend 30% of time in doing current affair and economic survey of Himachal and India as well. So there is a good possibility that this year there could be many questions on current affairs. Apart from that, you can focus upon environment, space and climate change topics, maybe from current perspective also. You can spend maybe 10% of time on those. Apart from that, in core subjects, you can go with the polity. Maybe you can do 5-7% of your time in polity. You can see some tables of Lakshmikant or something. And in general revision, apart from your notes, can be done from Lucent or maybe Arihant. So these are two good books, 500-600 pages. You can do in 3 to 4 days. So that would be a good option to brush up your history, geography, a bit of economy and polity subjects. Apart from that, the most critical area is going to be Himachal. So you can spend maybe at least 20% of your time in Himachal, that is primarily history, culture and a bit of geography also. So if you do it like that, maybe you could be in good position to do well in the examination, because you cannot do everything in 10 days, but you can revise upon. And regarding cutoff or something, what we can think is for GS it should be like 50 plus minus 2-3%. That could be the cutoff for GS. And the aptitude paper is going to be only qualifying in nature, but still you can take care that you may try doing English first and then maybe reasoning, then bit of aptitude or marketing psychology, whatever is your preference. But if you are having only reasonable preparation, then try doing maybe 60 odd questions, because if you overdo and overkill and disqualify, nothing is going to be more tragic than that. So that is the thing for aptitude. For GS again, cutoff could be lower than the last year. So GS, if that is 47-48% of total questions correct, that may suffice, or even 50%. So what you can do is, if you are doing maybe 35% of absolutely correct answers in first go, that means you are totally in competition. Then you can try doing questions with 50% probability or 75. So doing so, you can maybe target 60-65% of questions, and that may suffice the business for you. But in case you are underprepared or you have just started a couple of months back, so realistically there could be less of chance. So what you can do is, if you've done 15-20 questions, 22 questions, then you can play a bit with the 50% questions, or even you can take riskier options. You can maybe stick to one of the options, like C option could be good, or you can look answers from similar sounding or similar spelling answers. There could be a possibility. 2-3 questions could be all of the above. Normally one question or no question is all of the above, and these kind of things. And apart from that, in aptitude you can do a bit of reverse engineering. You can put values, probable values in the question itself, and you can try to maybe solve them. So that is the thing that you can do in these time. But focus could be on current affairs, revising your notes and doing bit of Himachal. And if you need any support or any clarification, you can let us know. And if you have got our book, that is Himachal 360, then maybe it can help you better, because it has got current affairs for whole year of Himachal. It has got economic survey of Himachal. So all in all, could be a useful resource. Thank you for watching the video.